Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I will discuss about government service. I will give you only one planetary combination which I have found that most fruitful. There are many combinations which you can find in the context of government service. So, any relation among 9th, 10th or 11th house and Sun has any relation with 9th, 10th or 11th house. Here any relation among 9th, 10th or 11th house means suppose 9th lord and 10th lord posited together in 4th house and aspecting 10th house. But if 9th and 10th lord posited in 12th house and aspecting 6th house, then this combination will be not very fruitful. Here government service means mainly government jobs, but this planetary combination sometimes found in any person's horoscope, but he is not in government job. But that person must gets facility from government service by either his spouse in government service or father or mother in government service or by any other means also. So let's see this combination on some charts. Yeah, this person works in Indian Railways. Here 11th Lord Mercury is posited in 9th house and Sun is the 10th Lord and posited on 10th house itself. Now another chart. This person also works in central government service. Here 9th Lord Mercury is posited on 11th house and Sun is posited on 11th house together with 9th Lord. Here Sun may be in any house lot, but he must be some relation with 9th, 10th or 11th house. Now this is a chart of another Indian Railway service person. Here 9th Lord Mercury is posited on 10th house and 11th Lord Sun is posited on 9th house. Now this is the another chart who works in account service in Indian government. 10th Lord Mars aspecting 9th house from 2nd house and 2nd Lord Sun, although debilitated, is aspecting 10th house. 11th Lord Venus aspecting his own 11th house from sign Scorpio. Here you can notify that Sun is debilitated. That means even Sun is debilitated, but he can give you government service. In this chart, he also works in account service in Government of India. 9th Lord Jupiter is aspecting his own house from Lagna and is exalted. 10th and 11th Lords posited in 4th house and aspecting 10th house. And Sun is aspecting 9th house. Now this is in chart of an IAS officer. Here 9th Lord and 11th Lord posited together in 5th house and aspecting 11th house. 10th Lord Venus aspecting his own house and Sun is aspecting 11th house. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.